Oh, don't be shy, guys. Come over and say hello. All right.
Hello.
Good, good. Hey, today we're having an object lesson on fathers. Father's Day is this coming week, and these little guys represent heroes. And how better to represent heroes than your father? You know, boys and girls, some people believe in Superman and Batman and Iron Man and all those kind of things. But you know what? The real heroes in the world today are our fire department people, our military, our first responders, and things like that. And of course, our fathers. Our fathers do three main things. Let's talk about those real quick. The first one is he protects. What does he do? He protects. So this guy here is going to represent protect. See, he's got the muscles. He's like, yeah. So he represents the protection. You know, your dad doesn't want any harm to come to you. So he does the best he can to help protect you. You know, the Bible does say in Proverbs 17 and verse number 6, he says, children's children are the crown of old men, and the glory of children is their fathers. A lot of children look up to their dad and say, wow. And that's just like a hero. We look up to a hero to admire and be astounded at what they could do. So the first thing is what? Protect. What's the next one? He provides. What does he do? Provides. So he provides a home. He provides food to eat. He provides for us a place to stay. He provides comfort. He provides that protection we talked about earlier. Dad works extra hard to provide for us. And boys and girls, he loves you very much. Not only that, but Dad also protects, provides, and prepares. Did you know one of the jobs of a daddy is to prepare you for the future? You know, that might mean that he's paying for your school. That might mean that he's preparing you by training you how to do the things of life, how to tie a trash bag, how to take out the trash, how to wash the car, how to mow the lawn, how to do the things that a man should do. That's the duty of a man. He is to train his son and his daughter in the way they should go. The Bible says to train up a child in the way they should go, and when they're old, they will not depart from it. So that's another thing that dad does. He protects, he provides, and he prepares. Your dad loves you very much, and he wants to prepare you for what you need. Now, how do you prepare somebody like a daddy does? The word is instruction. The Bible says in Proverbs chapter 1 and verse number 8, my son, hear the instruction of thy father, and forsake not the law of thy mother. You know what your dad is doing? Your dad's trying to prepare you for the future. Just like Solomon tried to prepare Rehoboam and practically the whole book of Proverbs, you know what? There are things that stop a child from hearing the instruction of our Father. If you want to see that video, that'll be the next one. All right, God bless you. I'll see you in the next one. Hey, if you like this one, hit the like button. If you really enjoy our channel, hit the subscribe. And hey, put your dad as a hero in your life because he protects, provides, and prepares you for your future. Bye.